Hello everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to be making tuna casserole. I'm going to be using egg noodles, 2 big cans of tuna. I'm preheating the oven at 350 and I've also put the water to boil. I'm also going to add approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm adding half of an onion, a yellow onion. It's a big onion, so half of that. Lower the heat a little bit and I'm wait till it's translucent, and I'm gonna add 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Okay, the oven is already preheated. So let me lower the stove a little bit. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix it well. The flour, what it does, it will thicken the sauce. I'm gonna add 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. 2 cups. Okay, I'm using the vegetable today. 2 cups of the vegetable broth. 2. Combine everything. Okay, you can use cow's milk or evaporated milk. I'm using evaporated milk, 1 cup. Okay, 1 10-ounce can of mushroom soup. I'm gonna add the egg noodles because the water is already boiling. So let's add the egg noodles in here. I'm gonna cook it for about 7 minutes approximately. Make sure the mushroom soup is diluted. I'm going to raise the heat now and cover it. Okay, the tuna, I drain the tuna. I'm using the tuna and water, draining it, and I'm rinsing it. I always rinse my tuna. Okay, the sauce is already boiling. And I'm gonna lower the heat even more to halfway. Add pepper to taste. Pepper. And now I'm gonna add the tuna, the 2 cans of tuna. Tuna or albacore, whichever one you like best. I'm also going to add a 16-ounce bag of frozen peas and carrots. 16-ounce bag. And mix everything in here. These vegetables are frozen. Okay, I'm gonna put 3/4 can of corn, and this is a 15-ounce can, 3/4 of it. My son is helping me drain the pasta. Okay, and now we're gonna put all the pasta in this oven-proof dish. And we add the mixture, all the sauce, or as much as we can get in there. Make sure that it goes all the way to the bottom of the dish. Putting more. And now cheese, sharp cheddar cheese to taste, as much as you like. I like to put a lot of it. Panko. Panko is a breadcrumb, and this breadcrumb is seasoned. It's called panko. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 cup, 1 cup and a half of panko. And the onion, the French's onion, I'm gonna put it. This is the first time I make this with these onions. So just gonna add that. And 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, which we're also gonna add in here. Olive oil. I'm gonna put approximately 4 teaspoons of olive oil. I'm gonna put 3 and then another one as I mix it. I eyeball that. Let's mix it. Yes, let me add one more. One more. Four teaspoons of olive oil. Now with my hand, it's the easiest way. They're washed and clean. I'm gonna spread this all over the top. Spread it over good. And then a little bit more cheese. A little bit more Parmesan cheese over. And that is it. Now, the oven is preheated at 400. It's been preheating since I first started for 25 minutes. We're gonna cook it. And this is it. It's finished. It's beautiful and delicious, and we're ready to eat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my other video. And may God bless you all and keep you safe. Till the next time.